I've backtested thousands of trading strategies that took me hours, days, and even months to get the data. And this one specific strategy allowed to net me over $46,000 with a win rate of 71% and a profit factor of 2.78. But what does that mean? That means for every dollar that I lose, I technically make $2.78 back. And by the end of this video, you will be able to get the entire step-by-step framework that you guys can pretty much steal right now. So stay until the end. Alright, so jumping to the charts right now, there are three types of basic checklists that we technically need, and one of them has to be the market direction, followed by a key location, and finally gonna be the market confirmation. So looking into this right now, looking into market open, because for this specific trading strategy, you only want to be trading during New York session. You don't want to be looking at Asia or London. We want to be focusing on one trading session only. So for this is a New York trading session, and right when 9:30 opens, there's a few things that we want to be looking for. One is we want to be looking for what the higher time frame direction wants to do. Well, looking to this, obviously the current trend of the market is pretty much bullish because you can see that the trend is going higher. Now, once we have our direction in play, the next step that we want to be doing is look for a higher time frame fair value gap and with liquidity. Okay, always remember this. There must be liquidity sponsoring that higher time frame fair value gap. So looking to this, we do have this M30 fair value gap in play right here, and let's take a look to the lower time frame if there is liquidity sponsoring this low. And yes, we do. Look into this, we do have this level right here. This is what I'd like to call a liquidity low. And our next step is, since we already have our market direction followed by a very clean market location, a key location of price, the next step is to be looking for confirmation. So we want to be patient. We want to see price pull back to our specific level, like right now. And when the market taps to our level, this is when we want to start looking for an entry confirmation. So for example, over here, we can clearly see that we do have a very simple inverse fair value gap. An inverse fair value gap with a CASD, with a momentum candlestick. This is going to be the best time for you to take an execution for a long position, stop loss just right below this low, and you want to be targeting into a key location of a high, kind of like this. Or you can even put it all the way to the body close like this, netting you over 1.7 RR. Now, first, we have our market direction, which is overall trend is bullish. Next, our next key location is a M30 fair value gap. And most importantly, there is a liquidity sponsoring that fair value gap. The third one is we do have our favorite confirmational model. And once everything lined up, that is a perfect time to take the execution, something like this. So from this on, we can pretty much play this trade. Absolutely beautiful. Smashing TP, that's over 1.7 RR.
Good momentum. If you have a close here, you might have a long, like 1-to-1. The reason why I took this long, good sweep right here. Ha ha ha, TP hit on stream. Ha ha ha. Good trade. W happened live.
If you want to be participating the free live trades such as that, don't worry, that is free every single Monday. It is a weekly webinar. All you have to do is press the link in the description down below, and I'll be seeing you guys in my free Discord. Now, going back, we do have a beautiful win of 1.7 RR. Well, what we're going to be doing next is we're going to be waiting for the next New York session. So we don't even care on what's currently happening right here. We just want to be skipping to the next New York session. So let's try to speed us up. Okay, so looking to this right now, we want to be looking for a clean 30 minutes fair value gap. So just looking to price, it's already 1 a.m. and that's when I don't want to trade, because looking to this, there's no fresh M30 gap for me to play. So I'm just skipping this out. And let's wait for the next New York now. So we're running. This can be New York now, I believe. Okay, there we go. New York session open. New York started with a beautiful pump, something like this, with a beautiful rally of price. Now, what is the next objective of the market? We want to be looking for a 30 minutes fair value gap. But first, we have to identify on what the market direction is doing. First, we can clearly see that we are bearish. Yes, that is bearish for sure, until we broke the trend line. The moment we saw this trend line break, this kind of allows us to say that there's big momentum of price to the upside, meaning that there are buyers that are wanting to push the prices to the upside. Now, that is the first market direction. It might be leaning a little bit more in bullish now. Next, we want to be looking for a 30 minutes key location. And the one I saw over here is pretty much this bullish fair value gap forming a 30-minute bullish fair value gap. And now the next step is we want to be looking for the lower time frame for confirmation. So right when we had the 30 minutes close, we want to see market pull back to our specific level, something like this, which taps exactly to our 30 minutes fair value gap. Now you have to make sure that this 30-minute fair value gap have liquidity sponsoring before we look for an entry. And our liquidity sponsoring that is pretty much this liquidity low. So I would like to call this as liquidity. The moment we swept this liquidity low, we're going to be looking for a beautiful inversion like this. The moment that I saw this momentum inversion, this can be a good idea that we can start looking for longs, putting our stops under this level and our take profit to be above this high, or you can even hold it for 1 to 2, which is pretty much targeting a specific key level, which is Asia high. So let's take a look. Let's try to target a time-based liquidity, which is Asia high right here. And let's try to speed up price after taking our first entry. So we're currently inside the trade now, and we're running in profits, and beautiful. Take profit. That's over 2.37 RR. Now, if you guys want to be making your life a little bit easier, you can actually take my entire trading checklist. All you have to be doing is just join the free Discord down in the description down below. And I want you guys to be downloading this gold fair value gap basic checklist. Don't worry, it is not only for gold, it also works for NQ. This is going to be pretty much the checklist that you guys can steal right now to allow to improve your trading. Allows you to follow a systematic plan that I showed you guys a while ago that can allow you to get the data and the statistics that I showed you at the start. So I'll be seeing you guys in my next live trading weekly webinar. So make sure you guys join the free Discord that has my entry checklist. And yeah, that should be everything. If you want to be seeing more videos like this, make sure you guys comment down below what videos you guys want to be seeing next. Make sure you guys press the like button and the subscribe button. I'll be seeing you guys next time. JCAC Trades out.